on IDFC First Bank. Now, we're getting this query from Romani MV from Chennai. Now, they haven't mentioned the time frame, but the mid-sized private sector banks have also seen some correction. The stock is IDFC First is also down on a year-to-date basis by roughly 25%. Let me get in a quick view from our technical guest as well. What is your view, Swati, on IDFC First Bank, and is there anything else apart from that you like in the private mid-tier private sector banks as well?
My view on the IDFC First Bank is a little bit cautious. But I'm saying that since 2023, we are continuously witnessing that the stock is under the pressure. We have seen a fall from almost 97 rupees to 60 levels. Now it is currently trading at an oversold zone. Probably we are likely to see a reversal over a period of time, but as of now, it is not showing any sign of a reversals. The stock might went into the consolidation phase. We might witness consolidation phase, and after that, some sort of a reversals can be witnessed. So my view is cautious as long as the stock trades below 68, 69 level. Those are acting as a very strong resistance levels. So any move above that level will only witness some sort of a fresh buying can be witnessed in those stock, which might take a counter to 75 to 80. At the current level, I will suggest not to invest at the CMP, but definitely wait for the breakout of 67 rupees on the closing basis. Then you can take a buy call in those counter.
Right. The next question is, I believe, on the Mobikwik IPO. Bala from Chennai is asking this as to, what is the outlook for this particular IPO? Asta, I'm not sure if you're covering this IPO. Do you have a view on this?
Yes, in fact, we have started covering it. So my report work is going on. But yes, prima facie, I find this IPO to be good enough to invest the money in. But there is one point. There are various IPOs which are coming in right now. Because tomorrow only we are having 2 or 3 IPOs opening, I suppose. So now one really need to allocate their money because there are various good IPOs also which are coming. So now idea here is in all, total 5 IPOs will be opening in this week itself. So first choice will be Vishal Mega Mart. Sorry, I'm deviating the stock towards the other IPO. But now coming on the Mobikwik, even we are giving a subscribe rating to this IPO also. But if anyone is a limited fund, then Vishal Mega Mart is our first choice, followed by Indian Gemological Institute, which will be opening on 12th or 13th of this month. And then Inventurous Knowledge, and fourth number or fourth rating we will be giving to Mobikwik. Now talking about this counter, the fundamentals, I think the financial performance is pretty good. Why? Because they have shown operating profit positive. I mean, the operating profit itself signals that it is a positive on the EBITDA front. And bottom line in FY24, and they have a very strong users, and they, without spending much on the marketing, in fact they are able to garner such kind of profitability. In fact, if I compare it to 197 communication, that is Paytm, then their price to book value ratios also seems to be reasonable. So Mobikwik is a subscribe from our side, but just for the additional knowledge, since 4 or 5 IPOs are opening, first rating should be given to Vishal Mega Mart, followed by Indian Gemological Institute, third one is Inventurous Knowledge, and fourth is Mobikwik, followed by Sky Life Sciences at the fifth position.
Thanks, Asta, for that view on all the IPOs as well as Mobikwik as well. Definitely, IPO heavy. We can expect that we will be just talking to you more on these IPOs going forward as well. But let's take in a query. We have another call coming in from Chennai from Shankar. Now he has. I just wanted to take a chance to speak to the caller as well. So, Shankar, what is your query and how can he help you?
Very good morning.
Good morning.
I have 755 shares, Motherson Sumi. That means Samvardhana Sumi. The rate of 202 rupees.
Got it.
I am ready to wait minimum 3 years.
Got it.
What is the outlook for the technical outlook for the share? Short term, medium term, long term.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I listen from TV.
Got that, Shankar. Got that. So I'll just take both, our guest view. Let me start with the technical view first. On Samvardhana Motherson from Swati, any kind of view that you have on this auto ancillary company?
Yes, my view is a little bit cautious at the current level because I am saying that from the last few trading sessions, the stock was witnessing a very strong resistance nearby 215 and so levels. Now, if you look towards the longer term horizon degree, the stock has given the breakout of a upward sloping trend line, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Downside, it may come down up to 145, 140 level. Up to that level, we might witness some selling pressure. Then we can see some reversal from that level. As of now, my view is cautious, not to create any long position. If you're having for longer term horizon, definitely you can hold on. A pullback rally can be witnessed up to the 200 levels. So for a medium term purpose, my view is cautious. For long term, definitely you can hold on your counter for a target of 200 and so levels.
Astha, do you also have a fundamental view on this? Because, we have seen some problems in the export market, and all auto ancillary companies who have, a lot of exposure in Europe and USA are seeing some pressure. Any kind of fundamental view that you have on Samvardhana Motherson?
Yes, there are some issues, but what we believe that due to the premiumization as well as EV transition, they can perform their global, peers. They can outperform their global peers. So first of all, that although their results were quite muted of Q2 FY25, but now as management has also guided that H2 is always better due to the seasonality also in the business. So we are expecting H2 FY25 to be a better, half year for this company. And on that basis, maybe the financial performance can pick up because they have a order backlog also. So we are believing that this counter has a potential to move upwards, provided everything goes well for this company. So one can take a chance and remain invested in this counter. Initial price target can be set at around 185 to 190. But if the results come in favor, then definitely this counter has a potential to move till the level of 200 and beyond that also.